This is a full body stretch tutorial for pain relief and better mobility. So if you have pain, stiffness, tightness, or your body feels older than it actually is, then this is the right video for you. Let's warm up. Start by rolling those shoulders forward, nice and easy. Make sure you're wearing comfortable clothes. Now roll those shoulders backward. Feel that tension melt away. This wakes up your neck, shoulder and upper back. Now open and close those arms, big movements. You're hitting your arms, chest, back, shoulders, abs, your whole torso. Warm-ups prevent injuries. Picture your body like a matchstick, stretching cold, snap, not fun. Now think of a rubber band, warm, flexible, pain-free. That's the goal. Let's get those knees up, walk, jog, skip, whatever works. It's your lower body's time to wake up. Breathe deep, inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. You're getting tired? Uh-oh. Now let's stretch your neck and upper back. One hand behind your back, the other hand gently pulls your head towards your armpit. Feel the stretch, not pain. If it hurts, ease up. Switch sides. Same move, new direction. Now stretch the chest and shoulders. Clasp your hand behind your back, puff the chest, lift those arms. Shoulders too stiff, grab a stick or towel to reduce the strain. Check the image on your left. Time to twist the torso. Sit, cross your leg over, plant your opposite hand behind and twist. Use your front arm on your knee for support. Need a deeper twist? Step that foot all the way over. See the image. Now the same thing on the next side. Hamstring time. Yep, the back of your leg. One leg out, one bent. Reach for those toes. Can't reach your toes? Try it like the image below. Knee stays straight, no bouncing. This isn't a trampoline. Other side, same deal. If bending the leg is tough, keep both straight and reach forward. Watch, watch, watch. Your leg's shaking. I like that. Let's stretch the front of your hips. One knee down, one foot forward, lean into it, torso upright. Can't kneel? Do it standing. Check the image to your right. Switch sides. Hey, don't feel again up there now. Feel the burn. Cool down time. Lie on your back and reach like if you're trying to get taller. Remember, one stretch won't fix it all. Do this daily and feel the difference. Stretching is like brushing your teeth. Don't skip it. How you feeling? Oh, really? Nice, nice. Four things before you leave. 1. If you like the video, make sure and click the like button. 2. Comment more. If it is, you want more videos on pain relief and mobility improvement. 3. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure and do so, because you need to become part of the MPPSL family. You don't want to miss out. And then 4. Imagine waking up and half your body won't move. Click on this to find out why.